When people see cardboard furniture or projects like these, they often say, "Oh, I can't do this." But what they really mean is, "I don't know how to do this yet." Don't worry, I'll show you how to get there, starting with the most basic skills. Let's get started. You will need self-healing mat. If your mat is small, that's perfectly fine. 1-ply cardboard. I use 1-ply for intricate carving because it's gentle on your fingers. X-Acto knife, a template, carbon paper, a ruler, a pencil, and optional safety glasses. First step is transferring the design. Place your template onto the cardboard. Use carbon paper to trace the design onto your cardboard. By the way, you can download free practice templates. The link is in the description. The design is now transferred. Step 2 is cutting basics. We'll start with cutting the line. Hold the knife firmly, keeping your fingers safe. Make sure the sharp edge of the knife faces down. Hold the ruler close to the line for guidance. Apply gentle pressure with your index finger and pull the knife towards you, cutting through the cardboard. Go over the line 2-3 times to make sure it's fully cut. Here you can check it. Let's try again. Once you have good control on the knife, you won't need the ruler as much. To cut the square, start with the vertical line. Rotate the cardboard so each line you cut is vertical. After cutting all sides, pop the square out. Let's cut number 4. First, cut out the inside triangle. Keep the lines vertical by rotating the cardboard as you cut. In this video, we focused on cutting straight lines. In the next tutorial, we will move on to curved lines. The lines in number 4 are of different lengths, so I decided to show cutting process in detail. The technique is same. You got to rotate the cardboard so the line you cut is vertical. If you want to know how to load the blade on the knife, I have uploaded shorts on this channel. The link is in the description. Before using cardboard, try practicing on stiff paper like this one. It's a great way to get used to the knife and build confidence. And that's all for this video. Hope to see you in the next one. Happy cutting!